In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bank on Apple Pay. If you're switching banks or just updating the card you use for tap to pay and in-app purchases, there are two simple paths. First, you can replace the payment card stored in the Wallet app. Second, if you use Apple Cash to move money to a bank account, you can update the bank details used for those transfers. I'll walk you through both so you know exactly which one you need. Start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. Find the card that's currently linked to your old bank and tap it to open. In the top corner, tap the three dots, sometimes shown as More or Card Details, to see the settings for that card. Scroll to the bottom and choose Remove Card. This safely disconnects that card from Apple Pay on this device, but it doesn't close your bank account. Next, tap the plus button in Wallet to add your new debit or credit card. You can position the card within the camera frame or enter the details manually. Follow the prompts to complete verification. Your bank may send a text, a notification in its app, or ask you to call. Make sure you have a good internet connection and notifications enabled so the verification comes through smoothly. Once verified, your new card becomes available in Apple Pay for stores, apps, and online checkouts. If you use Apple Cash and want to change where that balance transfers when you cash out, update the bank account in Settings. Open Settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, then choose Apple Cash. Go to Bank Account. Here, remove the current bank account so it isn't used for future transfers. Then add your new bank account details. Enter accurate routing and account numbers, and complete any verification your bank or Apple may require. Some banks confirm ownership with small test deposits or a code. Just follow the on-screen instructions and wait for confirmation before initiating a transfer. This change only affects Apple Cash transfers. It doesn't alter which card you use for everyday Apple Pay purchases. Once you've updated the card in Wallet or the bank account for Apple Cash, your Apple Pay transactions and transfers will automatically use the new information. Keep your device updated and locked with a passcode or biometrics to protect your payment data. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.